Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best bike lock is probably one of the most important investments you will make for your bicycle, offering peace of mind and protecting your valuable asset from theft. This video will review various bike locks with keys, comparing their security features, ease of use, and overall value to help you choose the perfect lock to safeguard your bicycle. Number 5. Titanker Bike Lock. It comes with two unique keys, so you're the only one who can unlock it. Simply snap it together to lock, no key needed for locking. Two key versions are available. The thick, flexible steel cable is tough to cut, keeping your bike safe. The PVC coating protects against scratches and rust. It's great for bikes, scooters, and more. The 4-foot or 6-foot length is perfect for securing various items. The locking mechanism is simple and secure. The anti-rust zinc alloy key core adds extra protection against theft. The new mounting bracket includes rubber inserts to fit different bikes. Plus, a waterproof cover protects the keyhole from the elements. Regularly lubricating the lock and keyhole will help it last longer. This simple step ensures years of reliable use. What we like. It features a user-friendly design that requires no key to lock, just snap it together. The thick steel cable provides excellent security against theft. This makes it perfect for securing various items, from bikes and scooters to even gates and sports equipment. If you need a versatile lock for multiple uses, this is the one for you. What people say. Super useful and easy to use, it keeps my scooter completely safe. The material is very durable. The locking mechanism is smooth and trouble-free. I also really like the mounting bracket, and use it even though my particular bike is lacking in good places for it. This is a fantastic bike lock. Has a key which makes it so much easier than having to fidget with a code. They have different lengths for your needs. Nice thick will hold up well. Number 4. Seatylock FoldyLock. It's a patented, lightweight, and high-security bike lock. This innovative design makes it the perfect choice for urban cyclists. It's built to withstand bolt cutters, drills, and saws. Rest easy knowing your bike is protected by this heavy-duty lock. With its hardened, waterproof, and weatherproof construction, it offers 3 years of worry-free protection. The anti-tamper rivets add an extra layer of security. It folds compactly for easy carrying and storage. The included case and keys make it even more convenient. It's compatible with various bikes and scooters. It securely locks to racks, stands, and other fixed objects. The included mounting bracket ensures a rattle-free ride. It's perfect for mountain, road, and standard bikes. This smart lock combines maximum anti-theft security with superior quality. It's a top choice for keeping your bike safe. What we like. This lock is incredibly lightweight and portable, making it ideal for urban cyclists. Its patented design offers superior protection against theft. If you prioritize portability and top-tier security in a compact package, this is the best option for you. What people say. The Velcro straps that wrap around the frame are coated with a sticky rubber to prevent it from slipping. The keys are high quality and the locking action is smooth and crisp. It's long enough that I can lock 2 bikes to a pole, but you won't be able to fit the lock around both the frame and tire if you do this. Otherwise, it's longer and much easier to fit around a tire, frame, and pole than a traditional U-lock. Number 3. SIGTUNA Folding Bike Lock. It's built with hardened steel, so it's strong enough to deter thieves. Plus, the anti-scratch coating keeps your bike's paint looking great. Its foldable design makes it a breeze to attach to your bike frame or any railing. You'll be locked up in seconds. The key lock mechanism ensures your bike is safely secured when you're away. It's peace of mind, wherever you go. It's made from tough materials that can withstand the elements. Rain or shine, it's ready to protect your bike. Fold it up compactly and easily store it in your backpack or bag. It's always there when you need it. This folding bike lock offers superior protection and convenience. Get yours today. What we like. Its foldable design makes it easy to mount and carry. The secure key lock mechanism ensures your bike's safety. If you value convenience and a lock that protects your bike's paint, this is a great choice. What people say. It's long enough for most situations, and it feels very secure. This is a very cleverly portable yet robust design that I would feel confident in protecting my property from theft to at least a moderate degree. The design and quality of materials used on this lock is superb. It cannot be cut with casual cutters, and the type of lock employed alloy cannot be picked. The hardened steel 8mm bars provide a sense of security that is essential in a city. Despite its heavy-duty construction, the lock is surprisingly compact when folded, making it easy to carry without adding bulk. Number 2. Hunter Specialties 6-foot Cable Lock. This cable lock is your reliable solution for protecting your valuable hunting equipment. It keeps your gear safe from theft, giving you peace of mind. Made from tough, weather-resistant materials, it's designed to handle any outdoor conditions. It's a durable and dependable choice for all your hunting trips. Perfect for tree stands, trail cameras, or any other gear. It's adaptable to various situations, whether you're in the field or at camp. With its 6-foot cable, it easily adjusts to fit around different equipment sizes. This ensures a secure fit every time. The key locking mechanism is simple to use, allowing you to quickly and easily secure your gear. It's protection you can trust. What we like. Built to withstand harsh outdoor conditions, it's perfect for securing hunting equipment. Its long cable allows you to lock various gear sizes. If you're looking for a durable and versatile lock for outdoor equipment, this is your best bet. What people say. Comes with 2 keys and they slide in easy. Good quality for the price. It's lightweight and easy to use. The keys are strong and work easily. Was also a very good length, perfect for me and my girlfriend to both use to lock both our bikes without needing a second lock. Number 1. Seatylock FoldyLock Classic. It's the ultimate combination of maximum anti-theft security and quality for safe cycles outside. This patented bike lock provides peace of mind, protecting your bicycle from theft. It boasts ultra-strong anti-tamper rivets and the strongest guard system to protect against side attacks. It's also bolt cutter and saw-proof for superior protection. This foldable lock is super easy to use and carry. It opens to a 37.4-inch circumference, and includes a convenient key and case holder. Say goodbye to rattling. It features a secure mounting bracket for a silent ride. Perfect for electric bikes, scooters, and motorcycles. This top-rated bike lock gives you 3 years of worry-free protection. No more worrying about codes or chains, just reliable security. It's portable, solid, and designed to keep your bike safe in any environment. Choose the Seatylock FoldyLock Classic for ultimate protection. What we like. It offers superior anti-theft protection with its robust design. The lock is easy to use and carry. If you are looking for a secure and quiet lock for your bike, this is the one for you. What people say. Quick learning curve for use. Won't scratch. As advertised. Seems heavy duty. It enables him to run into a store for a minute or 2. And I like this better than a U-lock because its flexibility allows it to be wrapped around objects of different sizes. The folding design is compact and easy to mount on the frame, which is a nice touch. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.